Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Cut screen brightness to about 30% and enable dark mode. This lowers OLED power usage right away. Once done, shorten always-on display to 10-15 seconds and disable unused radios like Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS when you don't need them. Make sure to switch to Wi-Fi versus cellular when available, because Wi-Fi typically uses less power. These first actions immediately reduce drain and set a baseline for deeper optimizations. You now dive into system-level fixes. Enable adaptive battery to prioritize power for frequently used apps and limit background activity for heavy apps. Once configured, restrict high-drain apps to Wi-Fi only and check battery usage weekly to spot offenders. Make sure to update apps and the phone firmware. Updates often include power improvements. If one app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall it. This removes hidden loops that cause wake locks and unnecessary CPU cycles, which kill battery life. You finish with calibration and fallback plans. Calibrate monthly by charging to 100%, then discharging to around 10% to keep readings accurate. Once done, rely on power-saving modes for long days and create a custom mode that limits CPU and GPU peaks. If fast drain still persists, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If the problem remains, back up your data and perform a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: check for a rogue app in safe mode before erasing the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.